Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder doesn't send. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder message doesn't send, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will search about Tinder app and you will enter, here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find here uninstall, then you can wait a moment and you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.